What is up, you guys? It's your boy CA Corey back with another video. Just want to say Happy New Year to everybody out there. Hope everyone goes crazy on this new year. God damn, my radar's going off like crazy. But I hope everyone has a great New Year's, and I hope everybody tries their best to hit their goals. And don't beat yourself up if you don't hit your goals also. Like, don't be those people, because all those people end up further back than they were in the beginning. So jeez, what is going on here? But yeah, I got a little highway POV for you guys today. I don't really know what's going on. There's got to be a cop somewhere. My radar is going off like crazy. Damn, it's tough. Sheesh. I'm not gonna lie, I love the radar, but sometimes it be annoying the crap out of me. Like, sometimes I'm like, can you please just freaking, like, it's good to warn me and then just turn off. Like, warn me, okay, I get it now, and then turn it off. So I'll never understand why people can't just drive. Like, just drive your car, stop pressing the brakes. You're either going straight or you're going on the highway, bro. Like, oh, I hate Florida drivers. I've never been the type to have road rage or anything, but damn, Florida drivers will really press you. There's a cop right there. Okay, that will make sense why my radar's going off like crazy too. And I think we passed the cop back there too, so we'll see. Wow, traffic is moving today. Usually this is all, especially on a Friday, because usually people from up north drive down here, or like people who are like closer to Tampa, Orlando, they'll be driving down to Miami for the weekend. So I'm shocked it's not that bad today. It's not crowded. So I'm gonna just play some music and we'll vibe out. Pressing the brakes with nobody in front of you, that's crazy.
Never mind that bitch, I got the baddest, that's why they hating me. We keep it cool, give a fuck about them niggas, I know that they president phasing me. This bitch, I'm tired with a line, I don't know why these bitches think I got the bait on me. I like my bitches free, she do the thing to me. Don't give a fuck about this shit, she be doing it, don't mean a thing to me. I made it clear to my bitches, I got a little mission, I'm only them claiming me. I know them niggas think that it could come and get close to my gang, I got Dame with me. I got some trust in this shit, I'ma go to the top. I like to sit back and think about shit, I be on it. Me and my guys in a lot. I made some choices that could've went left in the past, but I'm on that shit and they know. I like how they be acting for features, need payments in cash. I been know they jacking my block. Them niggas lame for sure. They try to spin the block, I ain't really need it. Girl, the famous hoes. I never make up my main one though. For the big it up. Wait till they see when we make it up. Niggas know that I been making up. I think he rockin' the stainless though. From out all that shit, I know about all the times you faded me. Never mind that bitch, I got the baddest, that's why they hate me. We keep it cool, give a fuck about them niggas, I know that they president phasing me. Bitches, I'm tired with a line, I don't know why these bitches think I got the bait on me. I like my bitches free, she do the thing with me. Don't give a fuck about this shit, she be doing it, don't mean a thing to me. I made it clear to my bitches, I got a little mission, I'm only them claiming me. I know them niggas think that it could come and get close to my gang, I got Dame with me.
gets out the cop's way. You see that? Nah, it's fire, but just don't back the cop.
Whatever you want, I'm ready. I know what you want, know what you like, I do it already. You know my body, baby, I'm your body, heavy. Daddy, we on a honey, yeah. Cushy water, wetty. I know I'm your favorite lady, so I get to that petty, sure. Marnie, where the fuck is Marnie? Yeah, I've been looking for you, I just wanna spoil you, turn to my heart, I got a bag, loaded with money, starting to feel like Ari. What else, yours?
For sure. She keep blowing on my phone, wanna give it right back to his. I was telling bro how to show speed, I'ma get it on video. All I need is some drinking and getting it, I'ma get busy, heavy. She wanna get daddy, told her we can give him bitch right now. She gave me a Chevy, told her we can roam right now. Hurry up and get ready. My bitch in Atlanta, she really a wedding. I got different kind of bitches, that's why I'm in and out the state. Like, I'm ready to eat it like a nigga on a gate. Like, I'm chasing that money like a nigga out of shape. Like, no man act sick, I'ma rub it on her face. I keep hella vibes, I don't date. Some of my bitches keep it in 100, and some of my bitches lie on my face.
I wanna get sexy. I'm talking left turn noodles, I'm talking penny spaghetti. Eating this shit like piñata until I buy confetti. What else? Deep in this water, swimming this shit like Michael Phelps. My last words to you was good luck to you, I hope that it helps. Sure. You missing this vitamin B.
So as you guys can tell, there's probably not gonna be no cut-up session today because we got the cop right there. So we just chilling, okay? Today's gonna be a chill highway POV. just gotta keep my distance from the cop because I have tint on the front windshield, so from this distance, he can't see this on my head. But if I go like right up to him and he looks in his rear view, like you can see. So I'm trying to just keep my distance, man. I want to cut up, but I'm not because it's just pointless. So we're gonna be chilling till we get off the exit.
You never flame me. Got a dick to sit on when you feeling angry. Fucking this bitch my fit on in the back of the Mercedes. Fucking so loud, they don't wanna hate me. Pull me out of mouth, cause she having rabies. Watch it so good, she gon' eat my babies. Pussy so bright, she drive me crazy. She think I'm a pump, I'm ready to dump. Bitch, you crazy. Pussy boy like a mom, I'ma just get her like AP. I'm just tryna make it safely. She know better than to chase me. Ain't gonna tryna race me. Cause she know we have on Macy's. You try to roll, find nobody to replace me. She put on some girls, now I'm trying to save me. When you wanna see me, you can call me. I wanna be surrounded by a dog. If you wanna see me, there ain't no discussion. You sold the lazy drink. I wanna know what you really think. Wanna see you in pink. Want you naked in a mink. Want you laying on the fur. I'm tryna put it on the curb. Sure, I'm never saying a word.
I like two baby cakes. I like two baby cakes. I like two.
I'm a pimp, I'm tryna bitch you by the herd.
What else?
Sound like a shepherd, it's a game with a curve. Booty's riding like a leopard, I'm in love with every curve. I don't wanna be without you, and you gotta stay without you. Ain't no you and me without you, ain't no me and me without you. I don't wanna be without you, and you gotta stay without you, and you gotta eat without you. I can't even be without you.
I really hope it doesn't rain because rain always messes up the POVs. Like everything could be good and then it start raining and then it's just messed up. So no one sees the cop right there. Like when I tell you half these people really don't care though, most of them really could care less. Go ahead, go ahead. There you go, there you go. Guys, if you enjoyed this POV, please give this video a big like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.